Jessica Myers, and I just wanted to welcome you here. And today I am here to instruct Brian on some different math concepts, as well as share some test information with you and data collection that we did. So, if you don't have any questions, we'll just get started. The first area I want to talk to you about is Brian's strengths. He had his highest score in algebraic reasoning, so that is really good. He scored a 202 in that. As far as the areas that he needs work on, the one that I saw the most need for him to work on was geometry and measuring. So that's where we'll start. We're going to start today with angles, and we'll move on from there to three-dimensional shapes and sides and things like that, how to measure those with the proper tools, how to determine an angle of degree, and things like that when we get into the upper levels of that geometry that he needs to know. As far as the algebraic reasoning, his scores are good. His strengths are high in that. I really think that the focus needs to be in the geometry area. So we will continue to work on algebraic reasoning, but it will not be our focus. It definitely won't be the focus of many of our one-on-one lessons. So from now on, I want to talk to you about the lesson we're going to do today. So today, we're going to start really basic with just what angles are called and how we identify those. So today we're going to start with a video on YouTube by a math group that puts out some videos. They put out a video for angles and how to identify obtuse, acute, and right angles. So we'll watch that video, and then we'll move into just simply defining those angles that they defined in the video. So a right angle is exactly 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is more than 90, but no more than 180. And a acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So then we're going to move on to him showing me what those angles look like in the room. The corner of the table is a right angle. The hands on the clock at 5 o'clock are an obtuse angle. At 2 o'clock, they're an acute angle. I want him to be able to recognize those things in real life, and he'll draw a couple of those angles for me as well. And then we'll move on to the formative assessment, and it looks like this. It has things that he'll see every day in it, and things that we've talked about and things that we haven't talked about, but that he should still be able to identify the angles. The piece of pizza, an acute angle. The roof of the house, he should be able to identify that that is more than 90 degrees. And he sees a clock every day, and then an actual triangle to identify those angles. So, if you don't have any more questions, we'll go ahead and get started. Thank you so much.